In this video, you will discover how to turn on ads, fine-tune settings, and start earning from your website traffic. WordPress.com uses a built-in advertising program called WordAds. If you have a premium plan or higher, you can earn money by displaying high-quality ads across your pages, posts, and other public content. We do all the hard work for you, including placing the ads, negotiating with advertisers, tracking views, and issuing earnings. All you have to do is activate WordAds on your site. It is also helpful to know that ads comply with privacy and safety standards. So that means user information is protected, ads comply with privacy laws, and only safe, vetted ad content is displayed on your site. Ads work best on sites with steady traffic. So if you are just getting started, it's completely normal for your earnings to be small at first. Let's walk through the process of enabling ads and ensuring everything is set up correctly. From your site's dashboard, go to Jetpack and click Monetize. Open the Ads tab, top right, and then click Join WordAds. You will see a message that says you have joined the WordAds program. Please review these settings. So next, let's open the Settings tab to customize the ad experience. Below Ads Visibility, you can change who sees your ads and even pause ads. And you can also control if you want ads on your front page, blog posts, pages, or archive pages. Please note that each theme has its own layout and built-in spots where ads can show. So the exact ad locations may look different from one theme to another. And you also have additional ad placement options. In this example, I'm going to deselect second ad below post and inline with in-post content, but you can decide where you want to add additional ad placements. Be mindful not to overload your site with ad slots, as you don't want ads to be intrusive and reduce the time a reader spends on a page. Another option you have is to disable the additional ad placements and insert your own ad blocks. To do this, let's make our way to Appearance and click Editor and open our homepage. Then I will select the section at the top, click the 3 vertical dots, and select Add After, as I want to insert the ad between my top section and my blog feed. Then we can use the shortcut and type /add and insert the block. Then you can use the block toolbar to choose a format for your ad. Once you are happy with the layout, go ahead and save the changes. If you are advertising in the States, you can also explore enabling targeted advertising to site visitors in all US states. Next, all earnings from WordAds are sent via PayPal, so add the email address connected to your PayPal account to receive your funds. If you don't have a PayPal account yet, you can create one quickly and free at paypal.com. Finally, you can agree with the terms of service and then save your settings. Next, you might be wondering what type of ads will appear on your site. Well, ads are chosen automatically by our ad network and is based on each person's browsing history. This means the ads you see may be completely different from what someone else sees. And you can't select specific advertisers or ad categories. The system handles that for you. You might not always see ads after enabling them, and that's completely normal. Ads take some time to appear, and things like ad blockers and your own browsing history can prevent them from showing. Next, let's discuss how to collect your ad earnings. To view your stats, open the Earnings tab on the top left, and here you will find everything you need to know. Let's quickly break down what each number means. Total earnings is the total amount you've earned from WordAds since you started using it. Total paid is the amount that has already been sent to your PayPal account. And outstanding amount is what you've earned but haven't been paid yet. Payments are sent once your balance reaches the minimum payout threshold of $100. And if you don't reach that amount in a given month, your earnings roll over to the next one. Below Earnings History, you will see a monthly breakdown of earnings and ads served. Ads served is the number of ads we attempted to display on your site. You will notice that earnings are calculated per impression or ad served, not per click. So every time a visitor views a page on your site that includes ads, that counts as an impression. The more people that visit your site and view your pages, the more impressions you generate, and the more you can earn. As you look at ads served versus your earnings, keep in mind that not every ad served will result in paid impression. This can happen when a visitor is using an ad blocker, preventing ads from showing, a visitor leaves your site before ads can fully load in their browser, and if there were no advertisers who bid higher than the minimum price required to display their ad. In advertising, bidding means that advertisers tell the system how much they are willing to pay to show their ad. The higher the bid, the more likely their ad is chosen. If no one bids above the minimum amount needed, then no ad is displayed. Online ads work a bit like an auction. Advertisers bid for space on your site, and those bids change all the time. Each time a page loads, advertisers place small, constantly changing bids to show their ad to that visitor. Because of that, your earnings won't be the same every week or month. Over time, all of these small amounts add up as more people visit your site. Finalized earnings appear in your dashboard about 15 days after each month ends, and payments are sent around 45 days later. So, for example, September earnings are usually paid in mid-November. While you can run WordAds and other ad programs like Google AdSense at the same time, we recommend just using one. Running multiple ad networks at the same time can clutter your site and create a less enjoyable experience for visitors. It can also split your potential earnings since the networks compete for the same space. Using a single ad program keeps your site clearer and helps maximize your revenue. Here are some tips to increase ad revenue. Turning on ads is just the beginning. To earn a meaningful income, focus on publishing high-quality, helpful content regularly, optimizing your site for search engines so more people find you, sharing your posts across your social platforms, and building connections with your audience so they return often. Remember, ad revenue grows when your audience grows. If you want to learn more, check out our course on how to grow your website's audience to improve your site's traffic and strengthen your content. And that's how you can use advertising to turn your content into meaningful revenue. With the right expectations and a focus on growth, ads can become a powerful part of your online success.